Hi, Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. I tried something out today that worked great and I wanted to share it with you. I've been doing brain research for a while because I want my memory to improve. Both my parents had dementia. Ooh, I don't want to go there. I've had some memory problems, and before it gets bad, I want to reverse it. So one of the things I've been reading about is that if you've had injuries to your brain like a super high fever or toxic exposure, all kinds of different things can impact our brain. So I thought of a couple that have happened to me. One was when I was pregnant. My fever was off the end of the thermometer. Only God knew how high it was. And another thing that happened was I lived in Northern California in the middle of all of these fields and fields of grapes. So they were being sprayed constantly with pesticides. So I thought, okay, I'm going to do TAT about both those things. And I can talk to my brain directly. And I said, so are these big deals for you? And both of them were like, oh, yes. So I did TAT about both those events. And by the end, I asked my brain, so how's that? And it was like, there is nothing left about that is stressing you out anymore. And as I was going through the TAT process, I just felt things shifting within, and I just feel more like, woo, after that. So if you've had those kind of things happen, where you've been exposed to toxins or molds or high fever, big illness, you can do TAT about those things just to improve your health and especially your brain health. So there's your hot tip for the day. Thanks for listening and see you next time.